Good morning, friends! Happy Friday to all of you. Lawmakers are finally taking action and getting more relief passed for the American people. Many are now urging that more stimulus money be allocated towards a fourth round of stimulus checks. These stimulus payments could be worth up to $2,000 and would be delivered as a one-time relief check. So friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video to learn more about this new proposal. Also, I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. If you would like to enter today's giveaway, please click and like several of my videos, comment below the keyword of this video, and do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. And friends, the more often you comment below the keywords, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card.
All right, so folks, Democrats are focused like a laser on developing and passing legislation to lower costs and improve Americans' daily lives. It is our top priority, and higher gas prices is the place where Americans feel it the most. We're pushing for legislation to lower the cost of putting food on the table, keep the cost of insulin affordable, help relieve supply chain crisis, increase competition through antitrust enforcement, all areas where Congress can take action to help the American people reduce prices. But passing legislation to fight higher gas prices at the pump is at the very top of our list. The American people didn't send us here to just point fingers of blame at each other. That seems to be what our colleagues on the other side of the aisle do. They don't have any constructive suggestions. They want us to get something done. So today we're outlining just some of the ways Democrats, House and Senate, coming together, can address the pain families are feeling at the pump. Americans know that Russia's unprovoked, vicious, nasty, bitter invasion of Ukraine has contributed to higher prices at the pump. They know that COVID-related supply issues have caused shortages at a time when demand is skyrocketing.
Governor Tom Wolf has once again called on state lawmakers to approve his plan to give a check using unused federal crisis dollars to most Pennsylvanians. According to CBS News, the Republicans who control the state legislature do not seem to support that idea. Governor Wolf says he wants to use $500 million of the $2.2 billion of unspent federal crisis relief money to give most Pennsylvanians a one-time state stimulus check. The governor told reporters, "This is not some grand theoretical thing. This is something that says, could we take some of this money and actually give it to Pennsylvanians? About $2,000. If you're a household that makes $80,000 or less, you qualify for this." Governor Wolf originally unveiled his proposal, calling on the General Assembly to take action with $1.7 billion in surplus federal funds that will need to be returned to the federal government by the end of 2024. That's if a plan is not approved to spend the money. Wolf also wants to use the money to provide small business grants and property tax relief, and also to fund healthcare and conservation programs. The $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan Act, which was passed in March of 2021, included nearly $195 billion for states. Pennsylvania received $7.29 billion and allocated about $4.6 billion for fiscal year 2021 to 2022, leaving more than $2 billion left in the state's general fund for the next fiscal year. Governor Wolf's $1.7 billion proposal would commit $500 million of leftover stimulus money to the Pennsylvania Opportunity Program, which would make direct cash payments to households similar to the federal stimulus checks that went out in the 3 rounds during the first 2 years of this crisis. So my friends, do you support $2,000 stimulus checks for all Americans? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is palm tree. If you would like to enter today's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway, all you have to do is click and like several of my videos. Comment below the keyword of each video that you watch, and do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. House Speaker Nancy Pelosi and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer criticized U.S. oil companies this week for price gouging and profiteering, as they touted Democratic efforts to put together legislation that would provide more oversight over the industry. During a press conference with Pelosi, Chuck Schumer told reporters, oil companies last year made record profits on these tragedies. We have this ongoing crisis. Do they try to make things better? No. They come in and make record profit. The Democrats announced that they were close to unveiling bills in both the House and the Senate that would give the Federal Trade Commission more power to go after the oil and gas companies, with the hope that the move would eventually decrease prices at the gas pump. Congress must do more to beef up the government's ability to stop potential gas price manipulation and price gouging. Chuck Schumer stated, Congress must do more to beef up the government's ability to stop potential gas price manipulation and price gouging. He also vowed to bring the bill to the floor for a Senate vote. The bill would likely pass the House, where Democrats hold a slim majority, but in the tied Senate, the Democrats would need 10 Republicans to vote for it in order to override a filibuster threat. At the same time, moderate Democrat Senator Joe Manchin has been having across-the-aisle meetings about a bipartisan energy package. Neither Pelosi nor Chuck Schumer could say how much the bill would impact gas prices and when consumers might see them fall. Schumer and Nancy Pelosi stated $200 billion in profits last year, $40 billion in buybacks. If all of that went to the consumer, that'd be a lot of money. It's about making change for now and the future. Nancy Pelosi has said that the Senate bill was pretty much done, but the House bill needed more work over the course of the week. Pelosi and Chuck Schumer also explained to reporters why they were wary of passing a federal gas tax holiday. They both said there had been some interest in the holiday. The cons are there's no guarantee. We have no evidence that the oil companies would pass that on to the consumer. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you so very, very much for joining me here. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos daily. To say thank you, I'm giving away $75 Walmart gift cards every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter today's giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos. Comment below the keyword of this video and any other video of mine that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Friday.